Alright guys, hey Rush fam, starting out the video at the Cedar Grove Plaza right here in the Cedar Grove community. Lots of shops here. We have ABMs, Flow, beauty store, ear store, clothes store, pharmacy, meat shop, restaurant, groceries. So lots of different shops here. This plaza is also 3 floors, so it's 3 floors. So it's the Cedar Grove Plaza / shopping center. And the video we're gonna check out today is the Cedar Grove Estates right here in Portmore, St. Catherine. So you guys stay tuned. So today we're outside of Kingston. I know a few persons have been asking for, you know, some videos outside of the Kingston area. So today we're in St. Catherine, Portmore to be exact, Cedar Grove Estates to be exact. In my view, very nice community. In my view, lots of multi-story houses. So most houses have gone up to 2 floors, and I think that is to better maximize the square footage of the lots as well, because the lots are small, because this is Portmore, right? So the lots are a bit small, so when they go up with a second floor, that really helps with the space and square foot. So definitely stay tuned. We'll be driving around the Cedar Grove Estates community, and as usual, you guys share your thoughts. If you ever live in the community, let me know. If you're still living in the community, let me know as well. If you grew up in the community or know someone living in the community, let me know. So grab a seat, grab your seat belt. We're gonna start on Hibiscus Drive. To the right was Bougainvillea Road. So this is where we're starting out. A lot of very nice houses, unique designs, beautiful designs. Most of the properties are well gated. Nice colors as well. So I like the community. If I was to live in Portmore, I think this is would have been one of my options as well, Cedar Grove Estates. But let me know what you guys think. Share in the comments, and remember to like, subscribe, share as well. So stay tuned. Let's take a drive. Yeah, so a lot of houses under construction as well. So I guess some of them are being remodeled and some of them are expanded. So Cedar Grove. Alright, so right now we're on Mao Drive. So most of the streets are named after different plants, flowers. again, we're in the Cedar Grove estate. This area is one of my favorite. You know, all these houses look very nice to me. They're right on the front. They stand out. Different bright colors. I like bright colors. So this is where we at. So I'm just gonna go back here and then continue on the stretch. So Ponciana Drive was on the right, and there's a few gated communities as well. Like on the right is Cedar Manor, and then coming up on the left is another gated community. That's a townhouse complex. That one is Cedar Grove Manor. So in my perspective, it's a nice community over here in Portmore, Cedar Grove Estate. I know I didn't drive everywhere, but just wanted to give you guys a quick snap view of the community. So yeah, so again, leave your comments, guys. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, you name it. You know, the more you share the videos, more new persons will discover the channel as well. So all that is definitely appreciated. So continue sharing. You know, a lot of persons overseas have never discovered the channel as well, and they would love to be able to, you know, see what's happening in Jamaica on a daily basis. You know, some positivity. So share. Alright guys, so see you on another community drive. So this was a community drive. The difference is that we are in Portmore, St. Catherine. That's the only difference. We don't come this side a lot, but you know, we always try to show you guys, you know, as much of Jamaica as we can, as much of Kingston as we can. So thanks for watching, guys.